Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So another crazy day yesterday, lots of up and down, and ultimately we are ranging, and want to find the logical setup there. That's probably what it is there. So upper end of the range is up here at 4017. Bottom end of the range is down here, 3943. Moving averages are flat at the moment, and they are in a bearish pattern. We do have a crossover, and we're pointing down at the moment. So there's two massive engulfing bars there. Anybody's guess, I suppose. Yesterday was relatively crazy. We had the fall, and we pretty much tried to capture the highs again, and then sold off going into the close. So looking at the 3 hour, again above and below the moving averages flat. Oscillator's not really offering anything, so nothing really there except confusion. And the minute we come down to the hour, it's below the moving averages, above the moving averages, below the moving averages, complete confusion. So the short idea yesterday off this area here, which is 39.77, obviously failed dismally, and that would have also failed off 39.92. We basically went back to 4,000 and rejected 4,000. So for today, a little bit cautious based on what happened yesterday. It get going in one direction and then reverse. That's always a warning. It could do the same thing today, or this could actually be a rejection for a move down. So at the moment, moving averages are pointing down. I would put something like that in, and then you have a little bit more structure. Gonna be roughly in that area there where we are now. So I'd want to see a break and retest of 39.43. I think that's the safest bet for the shorts. I'd be very reluctant to take longs at the moment because of what we're seeing here is a pretty strong move to the upside, and we've got a rejection higher up and then immediately reversing. So the same thing could happen. We could get a fairly decent move to the upside, another rejection, and that could be as high as what's that, 39.92. So if we stay below the moving averages, then I'd be interested in a short. If we start getting above the moving averages, then I'm switching off and we'll wait for next week, because then we're expecting more of the same. So that's kind of my view at the moment. Not 100% convinced we're going to make any headway in any direction, to be honest. I think we're probably just going to continue in this weird consolidation pattern that we find ourselves in at the moment. And you can see these moves down are big, moves up are big, moves down are big. So that's just a sign of confusion. We're looking for a trend, something like this. And with these big candles, that's pretty much near impossible. We do have diversions on the hour. Pay attention to that as well. So yeah, that just adds fuel to the fire. Anything can happen. So for me, I want a solid break below 39.43 and a retest of that area on the 15-minute before jumping in on this. Other than that, I'm not interested in longs at the moment. This is a lower high and this is a lower low. So I think you're probably going to start drifting lower, but it's going to be volatile. It's going to be the same kind of situation we find ourselves in the last 2 days. Anyway, hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Cheers for now.